How to make a water bottle bong. If you want to smoke out of a bong but you don't have one around, don't fret. You can make your own out of a water bottle using a few simple tools. Just make sure you're using it in a place where smoking is legal. Making a basic water bottle bong. Obtain a bottle. You will want to use a bottle that is just the right size for bong making purposes. A standard 16.9-ounce plastic water bottle should do the trick. Water bottles are better than soda bottles because they won't leave any sticky residue. You can remove the label from the bottle if you want. You don't have to leave any water in the bottle. However, if you want the bong to stand upright, you can leave some in to weigh it down. This is not a traditional bong, because it does not force the smoke through the water, however, it can be made quickly and easily. Remove the lid. Set it aside. You will not need it. Tear off a small piece of aluminum foil. This piece will serve as the bowl. It should be approximately 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. If you only have lightweight aluminum foil, fold it over to make it thicker before forming a 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch square. The piece of aluminum foil should be large enough to cover the mouth of the bottle and fold over the edges. Look at your bottle. If 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches doesn't seem large enough, tear off a larger piece of aluminum foil. Apply the foil. Make the bowl depression large enough to contain your herb, but don't push down so hard that you tear the aluminum foil. Aluminum can be toxic if used improperly, such as by heating, inhaling, or ingesting it. 6. Poke holes in the aluminum foil bowl. Make sure that the holes are far enough apart that they do not break the bowl. Be careful not to poke holes so large that they break the bowl. Punch a hole in the side of the bottle. Don't try to make the hole too big. Gently poke a hole with your needle or straight pin, then wiggle it around a bit to make the hole a little bigger. Make the side hole bigger with a pair of scissors. Make it approximately 1 inch (2.5 centimeters) in diameter to start. Be careful not to rip the bottle, press down on the hole to indent the plastic slightly, then gently enlarge the hole. Start by making the hole a little on the small side. You can always enlarge it later if you need to, but you can't make it smaller. Pack the bowl. If pieces of your herb fall through the bowl, then the holes you punched are too large. Take the aluminum foil off and try again, this time making smaller holes. Smoke. Inhale gently.